So guys, you already know that making more money in advertising requires you to scale your spends, and that too with multiple advertising accounts. It not only gives you more diversification but also lets you take advantage of promotional offers from the ad networks. But what if your ad accounts are caught? You might lose your accounts, and if you top up money in any of them, your money will be frozen for an unknown period of time. So, if you already have been managing multiple advertising accounts, you already know that there is risk, and the risk involved is frustrating at times, right? So, you will never want to risk your money in advertising. I actually got some of my advertising accounts banned only because of being used by the same computer. So even though I was using separate Chrome profiles, proxies for every session, at that moment I realized that VPN or proxies is not just enough to get guaranteed protection from account bans or terminations, right? And it happened, and people learn from their mistakes. So did I, and now I manage multiple ad accounts and run ads without hiccups. And thanks to the anti-cheat browsing technology of GoLogin. GoLogin anti-cheat browser offers creation of multiple browser profiles with random different fingerprints. This is the time to tell you about GoLogin. So first of all, you need to download the app, and it takes like a minute or two. Then set up a profile. I've got 2-3 profiles for different scenarios. For example, this profile I use for using TikTok and other social media accounts, and these 4 profiles are for different Google ad accounts. So let's talk about how to set up and launch your profile in GoLogin. To get started with GoLogin and launch your anonymous profile, follow these simple steps. So first, create a new profile. Click this plus icon button in the upper left corner of your screen, and GoLogin will automatically create a new profile with pre-configured settings to ensure anonymity, right? And now you need to select a proxy. Use a convenient proxy manager to select a proxy. You can use your own proxies or choose those provided by GoLogin itself. This will secure you by displaying a different location to any service, and it will be static for always. So if you already have proxies, set it up here, or you can check out my comparisons and reviews on my website, and your profile is ready, and you can launch it by clicking on run and enjoy the convenience of use. Make sure you do not log into other accounts that you use in other profiles. So one Google ad accounts in one profile is what I really recommend, and every profile should be having unique fingerprints. For that purpose, you can also make a small tweak in your configuration, which will be canvas setting, and you can choose noise in the canvas settings.
Now let me log in to my Google Ads account. There is no new trick here. All you need to do is to log in one account in a single browser profile. See how I'm easily logging into my Google Ads account with 2FA authentication. This way you can manage multiple ads account easily with GoLogin.
So guys, with GoLogin, I feel absolutely safe and can recommend you to use it as well. Don't rely on VPNs or other half measures. Use GoLogin, and to make sure that you will get the best from it, I've got a 40% promo code for you. Use my coupon code VKapoor and get 40% off on your first purchase. Even on the yearly plan, you will get that 40% off. Mind blowing, right? And thank you guys for watching this video till the end. And as per my experience, I will suggest you never rely on VPN for managing multiple ad accounts, or no matter what type of accounts they are. It can be social media accounts, advertising accounts, or dropshipping accounts, even bank accounts or Shopify accounts. So the choice is yours. Always use an anti-cheat browser to keep your accounts secure if there are any finances involved. And feel free to drop your questions and feedback in the comments down below on this video. Do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more helpful videos. Again, the promo code WeekUpload gives you 40% discount, and that too on the annual plans. So do not forget to claim your discount, and I will come back with a new video soon. Till then, have a good time. Bye.